Hi everybody, I'm Mark Jacobson with an MGM Minute for the week of April 15th, 2024, overlooking Park MGM right in the Las Vegas Strip. Here's what's happening across MGM Resorts International. It was a record-setting college basketball tournament season with March matchups betting action reaching new heights in BetMGM sportsbooks at MGM Resorts properties in Las Vegas, New Jersey, Maryland, Michigan, Massachusetts, Mississippi, and Ohio. The same can be said for activity on the BetMGM app. In particular, the 2024 Women's Tournament was the most bet-on women's tournament in company history, with wagering up more than 1,000% year over year. In fact, the South Carolina-Iowa Championship game was BetMGM's most bet-on women's sporting event to date.
Without a doubt, March matchups was a big success for us this year, and it definitely exceeded our expectations. A lot of that had to do with the excitement surrounding the women's tournament, interestingly, this year, which we're thrilled about, not only for this tournament, but for women's sports more generally. Very exciting moment. The energy in our BetMGM sportsbooks was just incredible, and we hosted some great events. Our feedback has been off the charts. Everyone had a great time, and that's what BetMGM is all about: entertainment and having fun. Now, we look ahead to the NHL and NBA playoffs, and before you know it, it'll be time for football again. That being said, the future just looking great for BetMGM and the entire industry.
On a different note, meet Rob Harrah, Senior Slot Technician Manager at Bellagio and Park MGM in Las Vegas. Rob has been selected by the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority as a hospitality hero. He manages a team of more than 20 technicians and was recognized for fostering a positive work environment while providing world-class guest service on the casino floor. Rob was also honored for embodying MGM Resorts' core values. As an Air Force veteran, he previously served as chair of the company's Veteran Employee Network Group and routinely participates in a variety of community service initiatives.
I mean, when you have a great company and great folks that you work for or work with, you know, it brings out the best of you. And this place definitely brings out the best of me.
Rob is one of a kind. I don't know that I've ever met a leader that is as warm, gracious, helpful, and engaging as he is. From the day I met him, there's never a job too big.
In other news, this past week, MGM Resorts was once again the headline supporter of the Western Regional Minority Development Council's Business Opportunity Day, an annual networking and educational event in Las Vegas for diverse-owned businesses. Participants discussed growth strategies and potential business partnerships. Several MGM Resorts team members spoke during the session and gave insight into how the company provides local and diverse-owned businesses with opportunities and support.
MGM Resorts is the headline sponsor, and MGM, we showed up. We had Andy Meese and our sourcing team here talking with businesses in the community about opportunities to do business with us. It was a fabulous day.
Shifting gears now, April is National Volunteer Month. With that in mind, culinary team members from Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino and Luxor prepared and served a free healthy breakfast to hundreds of students and staff members at Cynthia Cunningham Elementary School in Las Vegas. The event was in partnership with the Chefs for Kids Cooking Up Breakfast program. Chefs for Kids works with the community to deliver fresh meals and nutritional education directly to Las Vegas classrooms. Heading out to Western Massachusetts now, MGM Springfield employees commemorated National Library Week by donating and delivering more than 500 gently used books to the Rebecca Johnson Elementary School, located just blocks away from the resort. The delivery was the result of a month-long book drive with team members from all departments contributing. The event is also part of MGM Springfield's celebration of Earth Month. According to the National Wildlife Federation, each year over 320 million books end up in landfills. And finally, MGM Grand Detroit is getting ready to help welcome thousands of football fans to the city for the 2024 Pro Football Draft, happening April 25th through the 27th. With that in mind, the resort has unveiled DCLEATED, an art installation featuring 20 larger-than-life football cleats, all uniquely designed by local Detroit artists. Each cleat is currently up for auction with a starting bid of $2,500. Proceeds will benefit a variety of nonprofit organizations. DCLEATED is in partnership with the City of Detroit's City Walls program, Detroit Medical Center, Visit Detroit, and Space Lab Detroit. And for more information on any of these events or happenings, feel free to contact us at media@mgmresorts.com. Have a great week.